Hey everyone, is your Yahoo email inbox overflowing with thousands of unread messages? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to delete all emails in Yahoo Mail quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, go to your mailyahoo.com to your computer and log into your account. Then choose a folder where you want to delete your emails, like in inbox, sent, or spam. Then, at the top of the emails list, click the check box to select all emails on the page. And here you'll see a message like select all conversations in inbox and click that to select every email in that folder, not just the first page. And click delete at the top. And all selected emails will be moved to trash. And to permanently delete them, go to trash folder and click empty trash and confirm. And that's it. You've now cleared your Yahoo Mail inbox completely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.